So today is the day and it's England's first World Cup game. So I thought I'd celebrate the most me way possible with a DIY squishy tutorial. So today we are making this adorable squishy football and I'm going to show you exactly how, so you can maybe make one too. Maybe make it in your country's colours, maybe add your country's flags. I think this could be a great DIY. Like honestly, it's a really beginner friendly DIY because you don't have to do any sculpting. So what I did was I took a small magic sponge ball and mine was a 40mm ball, kind of similar to a golf ball. I just chose this size because I wanted a mini squishy, and also you can pick up this size little magic sponge balls from like places like Temu or Amazon for really cheap. I think you can buy a pack of 30 on there for £3. Imagine making a whole set of these. Are you joking? So anyway, to turn the foam ball into a squishy, what you're going to need to do is paint it. I paint mine with my own recipe, which I use acrylic paint and fabric medium. I mix that down 50-50, and then I mix that down 50-50 with PVA glue just to make it go a little bit further. You can also use fabric paints, you can use puffy paints. I'd recommend the brand Tulip if you're after a ready mixed paint. That always works well. It is a little bit more expensive, but if you're making plenty, you can definitely make that cost go further. So what I like to do is pop my sponge ball onto a skewer so I can paint the whole thing at once and then leave it to dry. I painted mine white to begin with and I did 6 layers in total, leaving it to dry in between each layer. The aim of the game is to fill up all the holes in the sponge and create a casing almost on the sponge ball so that it ends up being squishy. It traps air in there and it obviously rises back slower. So as you guys know, I like to make cute things, and I thought about making a cute little pink football, and then when I was painting that on, I just didn't like the way it was looking, so I took that off. And then I thought, I know, I'm going to make the World Cup football in the pink and the blue colorway because I have seen that in person. It's a very cute this year, but I didn't like how that was turning out either, so I removed it. And as I was removing it, I was like, hang on a second, these colors look really cute together. So I just dumped my fingers in the paint. I just started finger painting all over it, blending it all in, and whilst it did look a mess on my hands, it looked beautiful on the ball itself. I then made myself a little pentagon template just using a piece of trash that I had on my desk, and I traced around that a few times to get the football like pattern. I filled in the pentagons with white fabric paint, leaving the hexagon part of the design with the background showing through, and I really liked how this turned out. I felt like it looked almost like a galaxy white football and I thought this is delightful. Obviously then all that was missing was a little face on the design, so I painted that on, left that to dry, and then just removed the barbecue skewer and filled in the hole. So once that was done, my squishy was then complete. Do you know what? I think this has turned out wonderfully. Do I wish I kind of did it in the regular colours? Kind of, but you know, the heart wants what the heart wants. I am a kawaii, cute, pink, blue, purple loving girl, so this definitely suits me way better. Love the face on it as always. I love to put a cute face on absolutely everything. So let me know if you end up making this DIY, especially for the World Cup. Let me know what colour you end up making yours in. I would love to see any pictures if you have them. So yeah, let me know down in the comments. But with all that being said, hopefully you enjoyed the tutorial and I shall see you very soon for another video.